friends, get those pencils ready. We're gonna be drawing the Crayon Crew. All right, so there's 4 of them. We got one here, one back here, and one back here. All right, here we go. So we're gonna start with some circles. And the circles are gonna be a little on the oval-y side. And we're gonna put another circle inside, showing some light, and another circle inside, showing some light. Then we're gonna come up here and draw it's a kind of a line that kind of comes around. It's not straight, it has a bend to it. Then we're gonna come up here, draw another kind of bendy line. And we're gonna come straight down, well, at a diagonal, like that. Then this line's gonna come down here like so, and down here like that. And then we're gonna draw another bendy line like that, and a curvy line like that. And then these are black. This is all black. There we go. All right, then we're gonna do the arms. So for the arms, I'm gonna start here, come around, and I'm gonna come here and draw a kind of like a letter C. Come back around and draw another letter C. And then I'm gonna draw a W on it like that. And I know that looks funny now, but it'll make sense in a minute. Then I'm gonna draw a line coming back like that. And I'm gonna draw a line with an M like that. Now I know it looks funny, but it'll make sense. And then there's his elbow coming back up. And then we have a line coming back down. So he's kind of like crossing his arms like that. Then we're gonna continue this down. And we're gonna put another kind of curvy line under it. And another curvy line, and another. Fill this in. We're gonna put a wavy line. Fill that in. And then he's got some legs. Or maybe it's a she. There's 2 lines. This one's a little more straight. I'm gonna draw an N, and draw the back of the shoe, coming around, coming back, up, back over. And then we've got some shoelaces. There's one shoe. Now we're gonna draw the other one. There we go. There's the front. Got a little circle here. And some laces. Like a bow. All right. And we'll put this one, we'll give him just a little grin, just like that. And let's put him down a little. There we go. Nice. Okay, here's the next one. It's gonna have even more circly eyeballs. The last one was kind of more oval-y. And then the circles in the circles. the little light, the little light, and then this one, bend it over, 3, coming down. This one kind of is more like bent more. There we go. Solid black line. Curvy black line. I'll color that better later. And then we're gonna come up, make a curved line, down, down. And this one is gonna have a smile. There's that. And then this is all black inside. I like that. Okay, then this one's arms. Let's carry this down just a little further. This one's arms coming out, back. Gonna have like a little bean here. And we're gonna have like another bean out. There's the bottom. This one's ending up a little bit taller. Here's the other arm. There's the bean or the little oval. Little J. Then we're gonna have another line and another line. And then here's the rest of the arm. Let's just make this go like that. Then we have black line, curvy line, then we got some legs, some shoelaces, ends for the tongue. Here's the one shoe. There's the other shoe. Then we're going to draw a little one back here. This one's got really big eyes. So cute. There's his mouth, or her, whichever. There we go. A little crooked. I like it. And then we're gonna have curved line, curved line, curved line, curved line, down, down. This one's gonna come down. Fill this in black. I'll do a better job of filling that in later. Okay, then this one, the hand is going like an L. Like that, and then a couple beans. And then we got this part here. And we got a little shoulder there. And then the other hand is gonna have kind of a bean. And it's gonna have another one with a bean. Another one coming out and back. And then this one has a little arm showing like that. And then we got a leg coming out, 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 out. Tongue, shoe, front, shoelace, another one. There's him. And then we've got one more crayon. This one's got glasses on. Oh my gosh, so cute. And so for the glasses, we're gonna start with a line, dip up, a line. Then we're gonna come down, around and back up, back up. We're gonna have a line coming down, like so. Then we're gonna repeat these lines. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. All right, then we got an eyeball coming above, and we've got part of the black part. We'll put this in here like that. We got another eyeball coming around, coming down. Then we got a little bit of a glasses thing coming back. Then we got a curvy line, curvy line, curvy line. Wiggly, wiggly. Coming down. We got another, just like the other ones. And then we've got the arm here with the bean coming back. 1, 2, 3 coming up. And then we've got the other arm coming around like that. And we'll just put a few little fingers here. This is coming down. We'll just work that around. Perfect. Enough. And then here's a leg, here's another leg, tongue, tongue. I think I'm going to overlap that. There you go. There we go. We'll put the ground here. All right. Oh. Let's just put a little face here. He's cute. All right, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.